very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all. First of all, my appreciation to all those present here, representatives from the government, regulatory bodies from around the world, academicians, and industry professionals. Your continued presence and participation has made IPA Advanced GMP workshops the success that it is today. As we are all aware, this year was a very challenging year with the outbreak of the second wave of COVID claiming many lives. During these unprecedented times, pharma companies rose to the occasion and ensured continued supply of quality medicines to patients across India and the world. The industry demonstrated tremendous resilience in rapidly rebuilding business processes, and I would like to thank all the stakeholders who worked round the clock to ensure availability of medicines to patients across India and the world. In this post-COVID world, we've seen the emergence of a new paradigm in quality management. The IPA Quality Forum has reinvigorated the focus of Indian pharma companies on achieving quality and manufacturing excellence. I'm glad to see that the industry has taken several meaningful strides towards this direction in terms of capability building, process improvement, talent upgradation, digitization, and most important amongst all, the overall quality mindset. IPA began this initiative 6 years ago, and there is a high degree of involvement and commitment by IPA CEOs on building quality culture, which is fundamental as we deal with the health of patients. In the 6th edition of the Advanced GMP workshop, we will focus on areas to take the quality agenda forward. The thrust of this workshop will be getting regulators and global and Indian experts together and focus on some of the key areas related to quality and manufacturing, namely remote audits, nitrosamine and related impurities, continuous manufacturing, logistics management, and digitization. I once again welcome everyone to this workshop and thank the expert speakers for accepting IPA's request for participating in this forum and sharing their enriched experiences in various areas. We are sure the topics covered in these sessions will certainly be helpful to all. I strongly advocate and look forward to fostering a cooperative relationship between the pharma industry and the regulators towards the common goal of providing safe and effective medicines to all. I would like to wish all a successful interaction during the workshop. Thank you so much.